So here's my thought. I want to make a vegan cookie that is as good as the real thing, or if not better. And I think we can do it. So I feel like there's a stigma with veganism. The moment I mention vegan and cookies, people turn their nose up. But it can be tasty if you have the right ingredients. So I've created a vegan New York style cookie that is crispy on the outside and doughy, chocolatey and gooey on the inside. So you've recently turned vegan and you miss that sweet taste of a cookie coming out of the oven. And I sympathise. So I wanted to make these cookies as authentic as possible by using majority of the ingredients in the classic chocolate chip cookie with the exception of butter and eggs. I used a vegetable based baking block to replace the butter and banana puree to replace the eggs. This is optional, but I combined dark chocolate and a vegan milk chocolate alternative to give it a creamier taste. I personally prefer larger chocolate chunks, so I decided to temper the chocolate so that the cookies would have bigger chocolate pockets. To a bowl, you want to add 270 grams of your vegetable based baking block, 200 grams of brown sugar and 70 grams of caster sugar. Using a hand or stand mixer, you want to mix together on medium to high speed for 1 minute or until lighter in colour. Add 70 grams of banana puree and mix until fully incorporated. I added a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give it more flavour. And finally I added the dry mix, which consisted of 500 grams of plain flour, 15 grams of baking powder and of course 200 grams of those large chocolate chips. Yeah! As the dough got thicker, I decided to get my hands involved. Clean hands, of course. And now for the fun part. After adding all those chocolate chips in the dough, you want to use your clean hands and grab that dough into a ball. And you don't want to overroll this dough because you want it to look as rustic as possible, right? For each of my cookie dough balls, they were roughly around 110 grams. But by all means, you can make them a bit smaller or larger depending on how you like them. And we are nearly there, guys. All you have to do is put your cookie dough in the fridge for 30 minutes to 1 hour, place them on a baking tray, evenly spread out, and place them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 190 degrees C or 374 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on how large or small you made your cookie dough. And that's it. That is it. It's only right that we finish off this recipe with this. And there you have it. This is my vegan New York style cookie. That's that. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you tried the recipe, please comment below. Tell me how it went. Yes, so see you later. To subscribe, just click that bell. Click it right there. Click it. See, look, click it.